Have you ever woke up one morning and said, dang, I need to make a lot of money? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $10,000. That's right, you can make up to $10,000 just from selling your eggs, or should I say donating your eggs. If you're a female and you're of age, you definitely can make some money off of selling your eggs. I'm going to show you how. Stick around. So, before I go any further, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps my channel grow. And if you haven't already, please hit the notification button so that way you can be notified of any video of all my new content that I put out, and you could be the first one to know about my brand new videos because I have a lot of interesting stuff coming out. All right, so let's go. All right, so the first thing you need to know is that you do need to be 21 years of age or older, okay? These fertility companies, they require that women are at least 21 years of age to start the procedure, okay? Okay, so let me give you a little background on the female anatomy of why we can sell our eggs, okay? So basically, a female is born with 1.6 million eggs, okay? So I was doing some research and I came up with it that we are born with 1.6 million eggs, okay? So that means we have plenty of eggs to spare. My hair is looking crazy. I'm trying to fix this little twirl right here. It's just, y'all, please ignore my hair. I just don't like whatever that's doing up there. All right, sorry about that. Please ignore my hair. All right, so basically, if you want to donate your eggs, like I said, you do have to be 21 years of age up to the age of 31, okay? So if you're up to like 31 years of age, you that's like the cutoff right there. 31 is the cutoff. They don't want you after 31 years. I mean, even though we're still fertile and we still got some good eggs, but that's just how it is. The fertility clinic says no after 31, all right? So please keep that in mind. And also, like I said, yeah, we're born with 1.6 million eggs, so we do have plenty of eggs to spare, okay? So the next thing you need to do is find a fertility clinic that's in your area, in your state, okay? Go on the Googler. Just go on the Googler, find a place, a fertility clinic. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. For me, in my experience, I did this a few years ago, and it was with Yale University. Or it was like a Yale, it was associated with Yale. It was a Yale fertility clinic. So that's how I did it, and I had major success with it, and it was an amazing experience. So basically, after you find a fertility clinic, you're gonna fill out an application, okay? And it's gonna be a very lengthy application. It's gonna be a very lengthy application. You're gonna have to fill it out. It might take about 20 to 30 minutes because they want to know your history, your health, your grandparents' health, your great-grandparents' health. They're gonna want to know everything. Okay, so after you fill out the very lengthy application, you're going to submit it, and they're going to get back to you within like a week or two. Okay, because that's how it was with me. They're going to get back to you within a week or two. If you don't hear nothing back from them, then I would suggest you call them and try to check up on the status. After that part, they're going to tell you to come in for an interview. They're going to interview you, and they're going to ask you a bunch of questions, okay? They're going to ask you a bunch of questions. They're going to do also a psychiatric evaluation because they want to make sure that you're not crazy, okay? So they're going to run a psychiatric test or that does something with your brain or whatever, because they want to make sure that you don't have no mental problems. And then you're going to do a physical. You're going to do a physical. They're going to check you from top to bottom. They want you healthy, okay? So if you want to do this, please make sure that you are physically healthy. You cannot have any health issues whatsoever, okay? Because people who are looking for egg donors, they want a healthy one, because they want to have a healthy baby. So does that make sense? All right, does that make sense? Okay, so and then you're also going to be doing like a blood test. The blood test is going to run everything. It's going to check for any diseases. It's going to check for any type of STDs. Like I said, they want to know everything that's going on inside your body. They need to know. They have to know, okay? So after you pass the health screening, the psychological test, and the interview, and also it also helps if you have like an education. Like for me, I had an associate's degree, and I guess the people that were interested, they liked it. The people who wanted my eggs, okay, they saw I had like some educational background, that helps. So yeah, I mean, whatever is going to make your application stand out, it's a good thing. Because I did go to school and I did have an associate degree. So after that part, okay, so you're going to have to wait to get matched up with somebody, okay? You have to wait for like a couple to be interested in your profile. For me, it happened like within like a couple of months actually. So it was pretty fast. It was faster than I thought. Like within maybe like 2 to 3 months, I was selected, and then they did the process, you know, and it was just as simple as that. Okay, so after you're matched up with a couple, after that, you're going to go on to the next step, which is they're going to start giving you injections, because they need to give you some type of medication to like make your hormones, increase your hormones and increase your egg productivity. So that's what you're going to have to do. And keep in mind, you have to be committed to going to the doctor at least once a week, okay? Because they're going to have to like give you all these medications. It's only one. I think it's like a shot. And then after the shot, you have to go into the doctors once a week, and they're going to give you a blood test, and they're going to stick the vaginal, they're going to do like a vaginal ultrasound. I don't know what that's called, because they have to see what's going on inside you to check on the process of your eggs. Okay, so when you start the process, it's going to be like a month. Once you're selected and you go and you're taking the shot that you got to stick in your stomach, you're going to do that for 30 days, okay? And they do pay for transportation and stuff like that if that's an issue. They do provide transportation, not transportation, but they give you the money for it. They reimburse you for that. So yeah, once you do that, and after 30 days, and once everything's good for them to do the procedure, for them to take the eggs out, okay, you're going to go to the facility, and they're going to put you to sleep. And then they're going to stick this tube inside of you, and they're going to just suck the eggs out. And it's just that simple. It's a very easy procedure. It's very quick. I think for me, it was like maybe like a half an hour. And yeah, so yeah. And then after that, once you wake up from the anesthesia, they hand you your check. And like I said, you can get paid up to $10,000. For me, I got paid $8,000, you know, which is pretty good. You know, I was definitely really excited. And so that was that. I got my check, and, you know, but just keep in mind that you're going to be sore. You know, the day after, you're going to be sore. So make sure you're prepared to take at least 3 days off from work, because I woke up the next day and I wasn't feeling well, and I had to call out of work. So just make sure that you're prepared for that. It just takes your body like a day or two to recover, because you're going to feel nauseous, and you're going to feel a little sore, a lot sore, and you're going to feel sick to your stomach for a couple of days, and that's perfectly fine. So yeah, so I mean, I hope this video really inspires you guys to think about donating your eggs, because I feel like it's such a great way to give back. Yes, the money is good, okay? The money's good. But it's also, you know, amazing that you get to like help a couple that wants to have a baby, and you get to be a part of producing a new life. I mean, how rewarding is that, you know? Because at the time for me, I was a security guard. And yeah, so anyway, that's a whole nother story. But I was a security guard, and I had time to, you know, some extra time to, you know. But anyway, this is a great way for a good side hustle, and I think you can do it for up to 5 times, okay? You could do it for up to 5 times, and that's pretty damn good. I mean, you can get up to maybe 40,000 if you do it 5 times 8, or however much they give you. But you might want to move fast, because like I said, after the age of 31, that's it. I just reached the deadline anyway, so I found out a little too late. But anyway, if you like this video, you found it informative, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. What am I talking about? Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my video. And let me know if you guys have done it. Any of you guys donated your eggs? Tell me about the process. Tell me the company you did it for. How much, I mean, you don't have to tell me how much money you got. But, you know, yeah, share for me your experience, because I definitely want to know. Until then, I'll catch you in my next video. See you later. Bye.